Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn class 7, semester 2, chapter 2, exponents and powers, expanded form and exponential form of exponents. See, let's explore first question. Complete the following table. Here they have given number. We had to fill expanded form, exponential form, base and exponent. First one they have given as example. See here number 216. Expanded form, see here 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. So it is written in exponential form as 6 power 3. Here base is 6 and exponent is 3. See now next one 144. Here exponential form they have given 12 power 2. So the expanded form is 12 into 12. 12 12s are 144. Let us write here base 12 and exponent is 2. See now next one 225. They have given expanded form, that is 15 into 15. So let us write exponential form 15 power 2 or 15 square. Here base is 15 and exponent is 2. See now next one 343. Here base they have given 7 and exponent they have given as 3. So exponential form is 7 cube or 7 power 3. By exponential form we can write the expanded form as 7 power 3 means 7 multiplied 3 times. So 7 into 7 into 7. See now last one 15,625. They have given expanded form 25 multiplied 3 times. So let us write exponential form as 25 power 3 or 25 cube. Let us write the base and exponent. Here base is 25 and exponent is 3. See now question number 2. Write the following numbers in exponential form. Also state the base, exponent and how to read. The given question they have given numbers. We have to write exponential form, base, exponent and how to read. See now first one is 16. 4 4s are 16. So it can be written in exponential form as 4 power 2. Here base is 4 and exponent is 2 and we can read as 4 raised to the power of 2 or 4 square. See now second one 49. 49 can be written as 7 7s are 49. That is in exponential form as 7 square. Here base is 7 and exponent is 2 and read as 7 raised to the power of 2 or 7 square. See now third one 512. It can be written as 2 multiplied 9 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 2s are 256, 256 2s are 512. So exponential form is 2 power 9 and base is 2, exponent is 9 and it is read as 2 raised to the power of 9. See now fourth one 243. It can be written as 3 multiplied 5 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243. So in exponential form we have written as 3 power 5. Here base is 3 and exponent is 5 and read as 3 raised to the power of 5. See now third question. Compute the following and write the greater one. See the first one 4 power 3 or 3 power 4. Let us see the solution. 4 power 3 means 4 multiplied 3 times. That equals to 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. See next 3 power 4. That is 3 multiplied 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That equals to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. 81 is greater than 64. That is 3 power 4 is greater than 4 power 3. Thus 3 power 4 is greater. See now question number 2. 5 power 3 or 3 power 5, which is greater? 5 power 3 means 5 multiplied 3 times. That equals to 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Next 3 power 5, that is 3 multiplied 5 times. That is, see here 3 3s are 9, 9 3s 27, 27 3s 81, 81 3s 243. Here 243 is greater than 125. That is 3 power 5 is greater than 5 power 3. Thus 3 power 5 is greater. See now question number 4. Is 3 square equal to 2 power 3? Justify your answer. Let us see the solution. Let us see here 3 square, that is 3 multiplied 2 times. That equals to 3 3s are 9. Let us see 2 power 3, that is 2 multiplied 3 times. That equals to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. In our question they ask us whether 3 square is equal to 2 power 3. No, here 3 square means 9, 2 power 3 means 8. 9 is greater than 8, but 9 does not equal to 8. Therefore, 3 square is not equal to 2 power 3. Writing a number in exponential form through prime factorization. See here 72 they have given number. Let us do LCM first. 2 36 are 72, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now let us write here 2 into 2 36 are 72. That equals to 2 into 36 can be written as 2 18s are 36. That equals to 2 into 2 into 18 written as 2 9s are 18. That equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 9 written as 3 3s are 9. That equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 written as 3 1s are 3. So that equals to 2. How many times it multiplied here? 3 times. So it can be written as in exponential form 2 power 3 into here 3 multiplied 2 times. So it can be written as 3 power 2. Therefore 72 is equal to 2 power 3 into 3 power 2 in exponential form through prime factorization method. See now second one 405. 3 table 135 times 405. 3 table 45 times 135. 3 table 15 times 45. 3 table 5 times 15. 5 table 5 answer 5. Now let us write this in prime factorization method and write the exponential form. See here 405 can be written as 3 times 135. That equals to 3 into 135 written as 3 times 45. That equals to 3 into 3 into 45 written as 3 15s are 45. That equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 15 written as 3 5s are 15. That equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 written as 5 1s are 5. That equals to here 3 multiplied 4 times. So it can be written in exponential form as 3 power 4 into 5 written only one time. So it can be written as 5 power 1. Therefore 405 in exponential form through prime factorization is 3 power 4 into 5 power 1. Today we have seen Chapter 2 Exponents and Powers, exponential form and expanded form with example sums. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.